yung kain natin yesterday ba yun? Yung Calyos or 2 days ago? Calyos ang tawag nila eh. But it's just looks like coconut na.
Ano ba nung simbahan to?
Iglesia, di ba?
Hindi iglesia.
Catholic.
Catholic na? Ganda. Hindi na yung mga kuan ba? Traditionalist.
It's traditional culture now. And it provides a foundation.
Alam mo, atik-atik yun.
Sus. Ano ba naman yan?
Native tradition holds you back.
See?
That's why you should.
Oyster Shack
That's why
Seafood
sabi
Grill.
niya, ng valedictorian ng UP.
Sarado ba na?
Yeah,
okay.
UP Fisheries.
mga
Sabi niya, when you're faced with...
Hapon.
Restaurant sana for close.
Sige na. When you're faced with...
Lunchtime yung
Or,
restaurant.
check nyo kaya, rest to near.
You have to make a
near.
decision between
Alok.
excellence and
Sige
values.
tayo, ikot-ikot dito.
Or integrity. Or honor. You choose honor. But since you're a UP student, you have to find balance.
Sana ko nagsasanap ka na ulit sunod.
See?
Because-
Wala na, tamahan ka agad
Because
siya.
then,
Wala talaga ba?
then you're faced with decisions
Demolish
should
ka agad yung
you-
argument niya.
Restaurant pala to?
Uy, no, I rode.
Ay, Domingo, ay
Horizon.
pizza nakalagay.
Uy, you
Ay,
turn. Tapos kaya
Number
siya sa
one, pizza. Pizza.
Oh my
I
God,
want
sa pizza
Boy.
mango, no!
I'm gonna cry.
Let's go, Mingo Pizza.
Oh my God!
You know who
Disgusting.
recommended it at the end?
No, I was
Saan
saying, I
yun?
was
Ha?
not
Ito,
recommending
ito,
it.
lumabas dito.
Oh!
Oy, may.
Uy, mango pizza! Let's do this!
This is
Do this!
no, this is real food.
Tingnan natin kung open.
Walang tao ba?
Bakit yun?
Tayo first tao. Come on!
I love Mingo Island.
Ay, Mingo Island Cafe siya.
Ay, sa cafe.
Ah,
Good.
cafe.
Good.
Makamisan
It,
siya.
it,
Konting
Pero walang tao. Eh, babaan
Yeah,
niyo muna.
open, no?
Check nyo. Baka they're closed
Tsaka,
pa.
I'll go down. May tao sa loob oh. May kain
Check,
sila.
check.
They're eating pero sige na lang.
Kumakain.
Yeah, they're
Wala
eating.
masyado
kain na ba?
Gusto na masyado sa body niyo ba?
Tulala na si Tanya sa new wedded ay ano this interview.
We have to, let's hana research this, we have to support.